Students, today's topic is consumption function. Consumption is a function of income. We study propensity to consume in consumption function. Propensity to consume APC, average propensity to consumption, C upon Y, or marginal propensity to consumption. Let us see what is the difference between APC or MPC. For APC, first of all, we are preparing a schedule, a numerical expression through which we can clear the values of APC. To derive APC, C upon Y. Here consumption is 10 and income is 0. तो 10 divided by 0, तो ये 0 ही हो गया. Then 15 divided by 10, 20 divided by 20, next है 25 divided by 30, and last one is 30 divided by 40. Consumption is divided by income. Is equal to 1.5 is equal to 1 is equal to 8.3 is equal to 0.75, 0.8, 0.83. So this is the value of APC. Now let us convert this schedule into a diagram. Income level on x-axis and we are taking consumption on y-axis. Consumption 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. For the calculation of APC, first of all, let us derive a consumption curve on the basis of income level 0 and consumption is 10. At 10 crore income level, consumption is 15. 20 crore income level, consumption is 20. 30 crore income level, consumption is 25. And 40 crore income level, consumption is 30. So this is CC consumption curve. Now let us derive APC on this given consumption curve. First combination है 0 income level और consumption C, ये combination A है. We are taking second combination at 10 crore income level, consumption is 15. Let us derive the value of APC on point A, C upon Y. Here consumption level is 20. On this combination, consumption level is 15 and income level is 10. 1.5. A combination, then this is B combination. Consumption level is 20 and income level is also 20. 20 by 20 is equal to 1. So APC की value at point B, that is 1. At point C, consumption level is 30. Consumption level is 25 and income level is 30. So the value of APC is equal to C upon Y is equal to 25 divided by 30 is equal to 0.8. और लास्ट में A, B, ये C था, D. At D, consumption level is 30. 30 divided by 40, this is 0.75. So for the derivation of APC, first of all derive consumption curve and then you can calculate the value of APC on each and every point of this consumption curve. And now let us prepare MPC. For the calculation of MPC, MPC is the ratio between change in consumption due to change in income. This is the income. Then delta Y, consumption 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Then change in consumption. Chains, each and every chain carries 10 units and this chain carries 5 units each. For the calculation of MPC, delta C upon delta Y. First हो गया dash 5 upon 10 is equal to 0.5. Next 5 upon 10 is equal to 0.5. 5 upon 10 is equal to marginal values जो हैं वो सभी income levels के almost same आती हैं. And now let us prepare a diagram. Same procedure for the calculation of MPC. First of all, we will obtain a consumption curve. Zero income level, consumption 10. 10 income level, consumption 15. 20 income level, consumption 20. 30 income level, consumption 25. And 40 income level, consumption is 30. So this is consumption curve. Now let us derive MPC. So this 0.5, first point of marginal propensity to consumption, that is the ratio between change in consumption or change in consumption or change in income. तो change in income 5, change in consumption 10. अब देखो here combination A and this is combination B. What is the difference between this consumption level 15 or 20? Delta C is equal to 5 और income 10 to 20. Delta Y जो है that is 10. Point A, combination B. So from combination A to B, the value of MPC is equal to delta C upon delta Y is equal to 5 upon 10 is equal to 0.2. So basic difference between APC or MPC is you can obtain APC, the value of APC on point A. On point A is equal to 1.5 and the value of MPC is equal to, that can be derived from point A to B, which is equal to delta C upon delta Y is equal to 5 upon 10 is equal to 0.5. So the shaded area, this indicates MPC and here shaded area indicates the value of APC. This is the basic difference between APC or MPC.